make an unboxing commercial for a Rolex watch. Then basically what you need for this particular commercial is our ChatGPT and any AI platform that can give us a real or cinematic experiences of UGC ads or any type of ad whatsoever, or even unboxing. But what we are going to lay emphasis today is basically crate opening, that is unboxing, right? Then we are going to go to our ChatGPT. Then from this ChatGPT now, we are going to use ChatGPT to write a prompt for that particular commercial you want to do, right? So the prompt is going to tell that AI platform that this is the type of video I want you to create. This is the camera angles. This is description. This is what the background. This is the sound that you play. The keynote sounds and is it high pitch or small pitch? How the camera angles will be. There's those cinematographic experiences, right? These are the things you are going to tell ChatGPT to give us. Then sometimes if you're not really good at all of these things, it doesn't really mean that you should not make a very good commercials, right? Then I've actually collected written some great prompts for this. Let me go to my Microsoft Word. Then this is Master Bio 3 JSON prompt. Then in this bar, how to use this is this. If you want to do maybe a particular commercials, right? You're going to copy this particular template I have here, then give it to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will now use it, analyze it, and use it and give you what your prompt for that particular cinematographic experiences, right? Then it's going to save you the time of telling ChatGPT, I want the background to be like this, I want the tone to be like this, I want this to be like this. Then for this particular one now, I have lots of this prompt over here. Look at it. Well, this is a template for that is the prompt asking template for ChatGPT. This is 1, this is 2, this is 2. Then we have 3 here, we have 4, we have 5. These are the different types of commercial. We have UGC and we have testimonials also. We also have create unboxing videos. Then let's do this particular one now. We are going to do an unboxing for Rolex watch. Understand? So let's go back to this place now. If you come to this place, we are going to copy it from here. You can see where it said, please make a full structured JSON master ad prompt for my product, right? JSON prompt is the best prompt that I know that can give you a very realistic and cinematic experience, right? That's why I consider, don't worry, you'll see it over here after generating this particular video. Then you're going to copy it from here. This is where it started. Then I'll now go down, show you where it ended, right? I'll go down. Can you see where it ended? I'll copy it. This bonus is another section, so this is where it ended. Make sure you don't exclude any of these braces because it is still part of the code, right? Then you make sure you copy it, right? Make sure you copy it. Then if you go to this place bar, they write product name. They write your product name there. This is brand name. That is brand name of that particular word business. Then this is the product name. Write that same product name again. Then this keyword. Then write the necessary keyword that are associated to that particular product. If maybe you are doing something like fashion, understand, you have necessary related keyword like fashion designs, maybe cap or anything that's related to what fashion design. But let me go, since I've copied it back, let me go to my ChatGPT, right? Then I will now paste it in my ChatGPT. Then go back to this place. Then this is the beginning. Please make a full structured JSON master ad prompt for my product. Then this is Rolex. The particular product is Rolex Datejust. Understand? That is the particular product you want to do the commercial for. Then the brand name. Let me even use my Sabit Media, my channel name over here. Then the product is Rolex. Understand? This is Datejust, right? That is the product. Then keyword associated with this is, let me say, is this is time, right? You have fashion, understand? You have technology, understand? You have men, fashion. What's the keyword again? Should I say should I include no entertainment? Then any keyword that you are, maybe you can basically use AI to generate keywords for this, right? Then after this is basically what you need to input: the brand, the keywords, the product name, and the brand name. Then you now what? Send over here, right? This is send. You now send it. Then this is done. This is, here is your fully structured, polished, and corrected JSON master ad prompt, customized for. Then brand name is Summit Media, product name is Rolex Datejust, then keyword time, fashion, technology, men, fashion. Then all placeholders have been replaced and the structure is clean, ready for VO3 or AI tools, AI video tools. Then this is the description of that particular word: unboxing. Photorealistic cinematic sequence set in a pristine futuristic showroom. A sealed Sabit Media branded crate rests center stage, softly illuminated. The crate vibrates gently, then unlocks with a soft click. As it opens, a wave of elegant visual energy bursts out. Inside, Rolex Datejust component begins assembling in mid-air with precision and elegance. This is what is going to assemble: polished bezel, sapphire crystal, dial face, luminous hands, bracelet links, and crown pieces. The entire scene feels like a ritual of innovations and refinement, showcasing the product's essence without using any on-screen word take. There should not be any word on screen. There should not be written text on the screen. Then this is the style. It's going to be photorealistic, cinematic, premium minimalism, right? Then this is going to be, this is the camera angles, lightning, the environment. This is what the elements, the motions, then what the ending, right? Mind you, it's going to be 8 seconds. Duration is going to be 8 seconds because the highest duration for VO3 is 8 seconds. Let's say is 8. So it's going to make emphasis that all of these things should basically what elapse in 8 seconds timing. Then this is duration is 8 seconds. You can see it over here. I'm going to copy it from, before I copy it, I should make sure that I have read through all of these things and make sure, and I'm very sure that this is what I want for these particular commercials. If this is not what your clients want, you don't copy it. Make sure you edit it, and if it's not how you want it, tell ChatGPT I want this to be like this, or I want it to be what the other way. Then read through it, and this is a tutorial. I don't really need to start looking at it like that because I've seen the necessary parts I want to make emphasis. I will now copy it from here. Copy this from this place. Then go to your AI platforms. Then in my own case, I'm using Google Gemini, right? So I'll now click on create videos, right? Then from here, I'll paste. Then send. After I've read through all of these things, so then I'll now send it, right? So this is going to process this whole prompt with all of these experiences and what give me the output of a very good commercial for this Rolex Datejust, right? Any other thing aside that is not what I want, of which I have actually checked. That is why I should actually look at it very well and say that this is what I want and this is what I don't basically want. So now it's going to take 1 to 2 minutes for these things to finish the generations. Then I'm generating your videos. This could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready, right? So we are going to wait for this to be ready. Basically, it's going processing our videos. Then this is our prompts and this is the whole stuff, right? This is it. So this is the sealed Sabit Media branded crate seat at the center. softly glowing. The crate unlocks with a crisp clicks, releasing a burst of elegant light as Rolex Datejust components rises and begins assembling in mid-air. It's going to couple itself in the mid-air, then come down, right? That's how the ad is going to be. Then if you basically need ad for maybe UGC is using human beings to do a commercials, have testimonials too. Where is a real human being that can be saying something about your particular product and is going to be giving references and raising that particular product. I also have prompts for that, right? Then this is it. This is what we are. You can see the ambience of the environment over. Look at the ambience of the environment. Then let me look at it here. Thank you. Then look at it over here now. You can see Sabit Media by the side. That is branded. Understand? This is basically branded. You can see it over here. It's coming. Let's wait for it to finish generating. Let me play the sound. You can see it. Are you seeing it now? Look at it now. Have you seen the Rolex watch? Have you seen it over here? Are you seeing it over here? This is a very good prompt for your commercial or every of your commercials. You can see it over here now with the camera angles. You can see the camera angles, the sound, the environment, the sound, and everything is going in unionism with respect to these particular commercials, right? So make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment and share.